Hey y'all, so this video is specifically for the people that are like me who like to sit back and watch things transform into something new. So today what I'm going to be doing is painting this room, turning it from this to this. So if you're interested and you're down for a little mind relaxation, just keep watching. So I'm going to start off by removing all of the previous art off of the walls. It really wasn't much art on the wall. But the purpose of doing this is just to put more art on the wall and just to give it a new look. This is the paint that I'm using. Now I'm only painting half of the room. I'm not doing the whole room because I want to mix some of the old with the new. So this paint did half of the room, and it was definitely paint left over, so it could possibly do a whole room. What I'll start off by doing is kind of outlining the edges of the things, like the shampoo bowl and the window. I'm just kind of outlining that because I'm going to end up using the roller brush, and the roller brush is not going to be able to, get down that far. This paint is paint plus primer. So I did not have to prime the walls, and it also removed really easy. So like when I accidentally got a little bit on like my hands or on the bowl, the shampoo bowl, it was so easy to remove. I just had to get a wet cloth and remove it. All right, so under the sink, I also use the brush. I like to use the brush in tight areas because it's going to help me to be more careful and not get paint everywhere. But I do recommend using, the roller that I will be using later for big walls like this. Now, I'm not going to talk during this whole video. No, ma'am. No, I'm not. I'm not. But I do kind of just want to, give y'all a rundown of what I'm doing before the relaxing part starts. Okay, as you can see, I painted around the outlet. I'm painting around the windows because those are the areas where it's going to be kind of tricky to get the roller brush. Now at the very top, that is paper. It's called something, but you see the little flower thing? I thought it was like painted on the wall, but it's not. It's like a paper border. That's what it is, the border. And I just ended up painting over that as well. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let y'all watch this video in silence because it would definitely relax my mind. And I hope that you guys are relaxed and you're able to watch this transformation. So I was so thankful that my mom ended up coming to help me because it helped me to finish this project way quicker. And so I finished like 2 days when it probably would have took me like 3 days. I did end up doing like 3 coats of paint on each wall. So if you are covering a dark color, be prepared to do multiple coats. So as the old art has, so as the wall has dried, I have put up some new art that I did. It was just hanging out at my house. I was like, I got to do something with it. So the goal is to fill this wall up with my art. But as of now, this is how everything looks. I love the way it looks. It's so much brighter. And as you can see here, I have the old and the new. So you can kind of see the split at the top where half is pink and half is white. I'm going to leave it like that. But here is a closer look at my art. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you all have a good day. Bye.